Okay, here's my new contraption. This blows the leaves out of the gutter. I can't take full credit. I see that some of these leaf blowers have little kits you can buy that does the same thing, but I don't want to buy a whole new leaf blower for that. This is an old weed eater thing from probably like the 80s or 90s. So I was at Menards and they sell these, I guess they're like 30-inch sections of downspout, and has a folding end on it. So I added another angle so I can get the air coming out at the right angle. So what I can do, I can blow out the gutter, and I can fold this down and blow the leaves off the roof as well. So to put it together, I just put screws on each side, and here, to make it fit, I had to split this a little bit and then put some screws on each side so it's pretty secure. My house is only single story, so this will reach just fine. Plus I have a length of tube. So let's see how this thing works. See how this thing goes. Feel the torque on that thing pushing on you. It actually works to your advantage. It makes it easier to hold. So yeah, that worked splendidly, really. So I'm going to go ahead and clear out the rest of the gutters. Doesn't really get all the leaves off the roof though. I probably would still need a ladder to reach that far. Or maybe make this thing a little longer. But yeah, the main thing was getting the leaves out of the gutter, and it works pretty well.